Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to speed up Firestick streaming. So if your Firestick is buffering or feels slower than usual, then just follow along. First, restart your Firestick by opening settings. Then select My Fire TV and choosing restart. Then once it turns back on, check for software updates by going to settings, My Fire TV, about, and selecting check for updates. Next, you need to free up storage space by uninstalling apps you no longer use. To do this, open settings, application, then tap manage installed applications and select the app you don't need and choose uninstall. While you're there, select the streaming apps you use the most often and tap clear cache to remove temporary files that slow performance. Now check your internet connection or move your router closer to the Firestick if possible, or restart your modem and a router to refresh your network. And if you're using an older Firestick, using Amazon's HDMI extender can sometimes improve Wi-Fi reception. These small changes can make streaming much smoother and reduce buffering during movies and live sports. So that was how to speed up Firestick streaming. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.